Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. My favourite recipe application, Mela, has received a wonderful quality of life update since I last covered it on show 1123. It's a beautiful app that we use regularly in the Garrett household, and we now have improved web search capabilities for recipes, as well as the ability to import recipes directly from videos on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. It's really quite clever, so I figured I needed to share it with you. Now, before we look at the new features, because it's been a few years since we last covered Mela, I thought it'd be sensible to give a very quick overview on its use. So I'll open. I'm taken to my list of recipes and I've got quite a few on this device, all of them making me actually quite hungry as I record. Let's tap this health conscious cream cheese and bacon stuffed Doritos recipe here. Now, this was imported from a website, so creativecookery.com. It tells us how many servings it provides, how long to prep and cook, as well as the total time. Then if I swipe up, we can see the ingredients as well as the different steps we need to take to cook this. It's very interactive. I can tap on the cook button, and this takes us into a kind of cook mode where the next step is laid out clearly. And then we swipe as we move through the different stages. Up here in the corner, we can start a timer as well. Let's close this and take a look at this button next to cook. It's a groceries one. And if I tap, all of the ingredients we need for it are here. And if I tap add, they disappear. But where have they gone to? Well, here in reminders, a shopping list called Mela is automatically created, and the groceries we need are added. Super clever and super useful. Let's switch back. And there may be times where you need to cook for more people than the recipe is designed for. So tapping the adjust button allows you to make some changes, so you can convert to metric measurements or standard US ones. And the slider lets you multiply the amount of portions that you need. So we've got double here. And if we come back, it changes the number of servings from 4 to 8 and doubles the ingredients required here. Okay, let's come back to the recipes list.